Hey there, I'm Katie with WTI, and I love going camping, but my body does not love sleeping on the hard ground. So that's why we went ahead and started using an air mat by Hikenture. I love this mat, and let me tell you why. First off, it comes with an air sac pump. I have never heard of such a thing. You open it up, fill it with air, and then roll the air into the mat. I do lose track of how many bags of air it takes to blow it up, but it's somewhere between 15 and 20, and so you can have it blown up within 5 minutes. And this thing is also really durable. The very first time that I blew it up, our cat was obsessed with the air mat. She kept playing around on it and scratching at it, and I was so worried that she would ruin it right out of the bag. Well, guess what? She didn't. My daughter and her friend slept on the air mat, and we did not have any air loss at all. We just did a family camping trip, and my husband and I both were able to sleep on this air mat very comfortably. We slept on it 2 nights in a row, and I never had to add more air. When you blow it up, the valve is self-closing, so it will let air in but not let air out. It does have its own carrying bag, and it's a little bit smaller and even more compact than this. So if you're better at folding things than I am, then you can actually break this down to an even smaller size. Having this Hikenture mat has really helped reinvigorate our love of camping, and now we're excited for our next camping trip. And that's my point of view.